Now, I just did a video the other day about ways to save money. And one of the things that I talked about was not buying stuff just because it was on sale. But here we go. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Jan. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it today, guys. So this piece right here is something that I saw last week when I was in the store picking up something else. And I mentioned it in that unboxing. And it's just been on my mind ever since I saw it, and I decided to go ahead and get it. So let's just get into it. So of course it's in this. Now I did take this off, and because I wanted to peek, I was too excited, and I wanted to make sure that what I thought was in this box was in this box, because if y'all remember, around Father's Day I ordered some stuff from that purple outlet drop, and I got somebody else's order. So I did take a peek just to make sure that I got what I ordered, and I did receive it. I also wanted to mention that shipping on this was really quick. I ordered this on Tuesday and it arrived on Thursday. Someone else had mentioned that they ordered this same bag and that it was still in processing 4 days later. So I'm hoping that their bag finally shipped out and that they were able to get it. But we're going to go ahead and get into mine. So as you can see, I've taken the ribbon off of here. This is what it looks like. Again, I don't know if y'all can see. You may be able to see the horse and carriage in this tissue paper. But the bag is in its dust bag. And we had a conversation about this on one of my other videos, but a lot of people have expressed extreme frustration and disappointment with Coach, because a few people who I watch have received pieces that looked used or damaged, and they were gift wrapped so nicely, but then when they opened up the box, the bag looked like it had been worn. And so I was a little concerned about this one, but I've already checked it out. I didn't pull it out of the dust bag, but I was able to see that some of the wrapping is still on here. So it's not factory wrapped, but there is some wrapping still on here. So we're going to take a look and see what the condition is. It needs to be brand new. Let's just start there. But we're just going to see if it has any signs of wear, or if it looks like it's a display item or whatever. And so, just in case you were guessing, I did go ahead and get the Western Tabby. So let me just take a good look at this bag. Y'all know I normally don't inspect them like this, but lately watching other people's unboxings, I feel like I might need to start just to make sure I'm not missing anything before I move in or wait too long to try to return. But as y'all can see, there's still some paper on here. So let's go ahead and get this stuff off. But guys, I was in the Coach store last week, almost a week ago. It was Saturday of last week. Today is Thursday. And when I saw this bag and felt it and put it on my shoulder, I instantly fell in love with it. And it's so weird because I've seen this bag and it online and in other people's unboxings, and it just never really caught my attention. But seeing it in person, really, it just online does not do this bag any justice. You have to see this bag in person and touch it and feel it. The other thing that shocked me about this bag is that it's not as structured as I thought it was. So it is structured. It has some structure, but most of the structure is like on the sides. The middle is quite malleable. So this is the perfect combination of structure and squishiness, if you know what I mean. But let me try to get the rest of this stuff off of here. I heard a lot of people saying that they don't like silver hardware at all. I do like silver hardware. I have a few bags that have silver hardware on them. I don't think I prefer one over the other. I really just think it depends on the color of the bag and my mood on that day. But I personally think the silver looks gorgeous in this color. So let me get all of this stuff off of here. And then once I get all this stuff out, we'll go over it together. Get this out. Stuffing in here. So yeah, this bag is new. This off of the rings here on the side. So this color is burnished amber. And here's the strap. I know it's taken me a long time to get all of this stuff off, but this bag is completely wrapped up. So only thing missing is like the plastic over the whole bag, but all of the other stuff is on here. So it's taken me a minute to get into it. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. So you have two ways, I guess, two straps, I guess. So this one would be like the short shoulder, and then this one would be for if you wanted to do like a crossbody. And then of course this piece can come off and you can put it on whichever strap you're using at the time. So we're gonna go with the short shoulder. And let me take this tag off because I'm keeping this. So this is what she looks like as a short shoulder. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So, okay, let's get a 360 of this bag. So again, you've got the silver hardware on here. You've got 2 turn lock pockets, 1 on each side. You have this nice size back pocket. I don't know if my phone will fit in here or not. It's the case is on the phone that I'm filming in, and I don't feel like taking it off. So it looks like it'll fit, but I'm not sure. You've got your 4 feet on the bottom. This is a magnetic closure and it's super strong. And this lining is suede. This feels like suede, not microfiber, but suede. You've got a front pocket here. And if you can see, it says natural full grain leather right there. This Tabby does not have that stupid, God-forsaken center divider. So this is just one big open space in here with the zipper compartment in the back. And then the inside of the zipper compartment is like a fabric lining, like a really thick, almost linen or gingham fabric. Really nice, super durable. But guys, I wanted to point out some other details on this bag and also correct something. This bag does not have feet. These are just rivets. But I want you guys to look at these. Every rivet on this bag has Coach on it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but the rivets here on the front of the bag say Coach. These buckles have Coach on the side. I can show you. Like this is Coach right here on the side. And then of course the rivets on the back pocket say Coach as well. The stitching on this bag is like it's not really white, maybe off-white bone or chalk, but it's a really super nice contrast to this burnished amber. And the leather on this bag just feels amazing. It's so smooth and buttery, and this is just a gorgeous bag. I think this bag is going to be perfect. Well, it's perfect for right now, but it's really going to be perfect for the fall. It's big enough to be an everyday carry, but small enough not to get on your nerves. I just think this bag is gorgeous, and I don't know what took me so long, but I'm really happy that I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. This may end up being my favorite bag of this year. There was one more thing that I wanted to try with this bag. So when I saw Dory Nicole dress hers, she had a silver chain on her bag, but she has the silver dinky chain. Not the original dinky chain, because for all of you old heads with Coach, y'all know that the original dinky did not come with that extra metal chain. That those came with long, nice crossbody straps. But the new, or I guess the reimagined dinky has that extra chain on it. I don't have a dinky with silver. The only one that I have has the gold chain. And I don't have, well, actually I have 3 silver chains that are similar in width to the dinky chain, but they're not long enough. So I have the chain that comes with the Terry shoulder bag. Really nice, heavy, nice chain, but it's a little too short. But I remember that I had this extender, like it's like, I guess, a strap extender. So I'm going to use it, and what I'm going to do is put it on the side that will face the back. So we're going to put it on this side. And then hook this on the other side. And so now this is what it looks like. So this side will be facing the back, because I normally wear my bags on my right shoulder. So you won't really even see this side, but this is what you'll see. But I think that's cute. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know if you have this in your collection, or if it's on your wish list, or even on your radar. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.